Oh, Babuji, would you like to have some chapati?
Chapati. I'm telling you, sister, I'm not very fond. But if you shall give me, I will have.
I have a cook, and she can cook very good Indian food. She's not here at the moment, but she's coming on Friday. So on Friday we will have chapati.
ऑल राइट, ये ठीक रहेगा. कल सुबह ब्रेड कम खाना. वैसे भी तुम्हारी सेहत के लिए अच्छी नहीं है. और कल हमें चपाती भी मिलने वाली है.
Babuji, you already here?
Oh, Sister Veera, I had nothing to do. So I thought I will come in and sit here.
Okay, so I'll bring you the food immediately.
You don't worry. We
Okay.
are just sitting here.
Okay. Oh, Babuji, we have been cooking chapati all day now for you. I hope you will like it.
Thank you, sister.
This is for you. Chapatis, especially for you.
थैंक यू सिस्टर. ये चपाती तो नहीं लगती.
साहब पापड़ हैं, लेकिन कुछ कहिएगा नहीं, इनको बुरा लगेगा.
Please, have some.
Sister, I am suddenly feeling some ache.
Really?
I will go.
What about the chapati?
Sister, if I feel light, I shall have later.
Chariji, please, have some chapati.
How could I eat if my master is not eating? I'll eat with him. Don't worry.
Cherry, what is this thing you're serving us?
This is chapati.
And what was the thing that we gave you the other day?
That was papad. आज हमारे यूएस का 3 हफ्ते का टूर खत्म हो रहा है. डॉक्टर सिंह, आपकी हेल्प के बिना ये पॉसिबल नहीं था.
Chari, how cruel are you? You are taking our master away from us. Can't he stay with us for some more time?
Dr. Singh, I understand your love and concern for Babuji. But we must leave. Master will be in Europe for some time. And the tour is long. And I'm concerned about his health. But the good thing is that the flight to Copenhagen is direct. We will have to leave.
Philosophy gives happiness from without, and I give happiness from within. But by talking, I also give happiness from without. So I give happiness from both within and without.
Master, you know the protons and neutrons in the nucleus of an atom. Are they ultimate particles, or is there anything beyond?
Well, I'm telling you. If these particles were simple at the base and also simple outside, they would be God.
Master, what is wisdom?
It is the proper utilization of the power of God.
Babuji, you talk of spirituality, but science has made so much progress. Scientists today can even show what an atom looks like.
पेन और पेपर लेके आओ.
जी.
Is this how it is supposed to be?
Babuji, how did you know this? They told me you only studied to class 6. This model is part of Bohr's theory. You need to be at least a graduate to understand this.
Well, this is spirituality. While you were talking, I penetrated matter.
Babuji, are you leaving us again and going to Germany?
Yes, sister. I have worked there. Wherever Lalaji says, I go. Look here. It is really not my decision, but his.
Master, I can recognize Abhyasis just by looking at their eyes.
How?
I've noticed that Abhyasis in the mission in India have happy eyes.
Master, are you happy?
Really speaking, I have not tasted the effect of happiness. I cannot remember ever being happy, but of course, I can define happiness. One who is happy under all circumstances is happy. But I am telling you one thing. Happiness is heavier than tranquility. I think pain is near to God. That is my idea. But of course, I may be wrong. But look here, sometimes when I am in great pain, I also growing, there is some peculiar enjoyment in it also.
Master, is it necessary to have pain to get closer to the God?
It is not necessary. It is for me alone. My master used to suffer from great pain. He had abscess of the liver and he used to suffer very much. But when he was in great pain, he used to sing. I asked him why. He told me that when one is suffering, he has to make some noise. So why not sing and make some noise? My master once told me he could have removed his trouble in 1 minute, but he did not do so because he thought it was given to him by God. And he felt there must have been some reason to it. This was my master's submission to the divine will.
Master, what is nature of fear?
Fear is the hallucination of wisdom. If wisdom is right, there can be no fear. Women are the hallucination of men.
Babuji, please, can you explain?
पार्थ सारथी, अब तुम इनको समझाओ.
In my opinion, it is true because it is man who endorses all the romantic qualities to woman and in the process becomes a poet, comparing her hair to a rain-laden cloud, her eyebrows to bow, and her eyes to stars and so on. All this man creates in his imagination without any real relevance to reality. And so women certainly is the hallucination of men.
I think that is well explained.
Do you think hallucination is Maya?
No. Maya is normally said to be illusion, but I do not agree with this. I think Maya is the power of God. When we do not understand how this power works, we think it is Maya. So, really speaking, it is our ignorance. Intellectuals borrow knowledge. Divine personality creates knowledge.
Master, I came with lots of questions, but I don't remember them now.
You came with questions. The questions are washed away, and now only you remain.
Namaste.
बाबूजी, आपकी हुक्के वाली बास्केट जो जर्मन एयरपोर्ट अथॉरिटीज़ ने खो दी थी, वो मिस्टर मूर्ति ने ट्रेस कर ली है।
भाई ये तो बहुत अच्छा हुआ।
मैं हुक्का बना कर लाता हूँ।
ठीक।
अच्छा।
Master, what is most important for the development of spirituality?
I want heart like an Indian and mind like an European. You understand? I have said somewhere that God has no mind. He has no mind. If he had a mind, he would also form sanskaras. भाई वो कहा गया हमारा। तो मुक्का ले आए।
जी, लीजिए।
लाओ।
Babuji, we'll go to see Switzerland tomorrow.
What is there in Switzerland to see? Mountains, trees, I have seen them all while on the train. Geneva, I have seen. So I know what Switzerland is like now.
Master, how to define God?
If you take away all the adjectives in this world, then what is left is God.
Babuji, why has God created this world where there is so much troubles and miseries?
I will tell you. If energy does not manifest itself, it will solidify and lose itself, and God would be no more. So, to preserve his life, God set forth energy, and creation resulted. कौन है वहां? तुम यहां क्या कर रहे हो? पार्थसारथी, तुम्हें हमारे बिस्तर पर आने से पहले हमारी परमिशन लेनी चाहिए।
बाबूजी, आप किससे बात कर रहे थे?
अरे कुछ नहीं, वो एक भूत था। हम सोच रहे थे कि यहां कैसे आ गया। पार्थसारथी, तुम्हें भूतों से डर लगता है क्या?
हाँ बाबूजी।
तुम्हें उनसे काम लेना सीखना चाहिए। अगर तुम चाहो तो हम एक ब्रह्म राक्षस को यहाँ बुला सकते हैं जो भूतों में सबसे ज्यादा ताकतवर होता है, और हम दिखा सकते हैं कि उसके साथ क्या किया जा सकता है।
बाबूजी, वो तो ठीक है, पर फिर कभी सीख सकते हैं। असल में मुझे रात में बाथरूम में जाना पड़ता है।